Hey you guys, I'm back. I am doing another video. This video I'm doing is my updated MAC lip glass video. I have bought some lip glass within the last couple of months. I bought them with the two Patrick Stars collabs he came out with, Patrick Star 2 and Patrick Star 3, and the Mirage Noir collection they had as well too. Now, when I'm going to explain. Okay, so with these collections, you have Patrick Star 1, 2, and 3. Now, let me explain about all that real quick. Now, Patrick Star, the first collection came out, they had 2 eyeshadow palettes, I think, 3 lip pencils, 3 lip glasses, and a powder. If it's not all of it, if I missed something in that first collection, please correct me in the description, in the comment section, because I probably did miss it. The only thing I did get was that powder, though, because that powder, it was everything. So I did get that powder as well, too. That's a nice powder. So with that being said, I did get one of the collections from the second Patrick Star collab, and I got his other collection, which is from the third one. So let's talk about the second one first. His second one is actually called MACXPatrickStarrr Floral Realness Full Face Kit, and it actually comes with two collections. You have So Fleek, and then the other one, I'm on the MAC's website looking at this. So yeah, So Chic. I'm gonna give you the description of the So Fleek one. The full description is basically a complete kit of products for the entire face, which includes a lipstick, lip gloss, eyeshadow times 4, which means 4 eyeshadows in a quad, and a powder blush duo. It's actually on, like I said, it's available in 2 shade ranges. On the trend hues of So Fleek and the natural everyday shades of So Chic. The box and products within are specially designed in pink packaging with kaleidoscopic floral motif and a Patrick Star signature, which is very true because I threw the box away because I put everything in a kit. But let's talk about the So Fleek one. Now, I just decided to do a lip gloss video. I do have the lipstick, which is called Hey Boy, Hey. And the other one is called Queen P. Now, I didn't swatch Queen P on my hand yet from the second one, which I have. And the blush and the eyeshadows in it is in Living Pink, Hickey, all rosy, and in the shadows. And the blush highlighter duo or blush duo is called Take Me Home. So this is Queen P, which I have. You can see this. This is very pretty, by the way. They describe Queen P as a neon pink with a blue pearl, and the lipstick Hey Boy Hey is a dirty pinkish plum. So let me give you a swatch on this one, the Queen P one. This is actually very pretty. This is actually very pretty shade. It sort of reminds me a little bit of the Taraji Viva Glam one lip glass, but that came out last year. It sort of reminds me of that same shade range. But this is a gorgeous shade. I mean, this is a very beautiful shade. Yeah, so I have that one. The lip glasses, the swatches from the Mirage Noir collection, I already did a swatch on them. So I will insert those pictures at the end of the video as well too. Okay, so let's talk about his second collection. Oh, by the way, I am going to get So Chic a little later. Like I said, I didn't get it now because I wanted some more bolder colors for my summer portfolio picks. Okay, so let's talk about, and this is the Patrick Star 2 collection. Let's talk about the third collection he came out with this past summer. Now, of course, this past summer he had more so for the summertime, you know, more bronzy skin, more eyeshadows that fit for the summer and things like that. Let me give you a full description on this one. A complete kit of products for the entire face that includes some woman bronzing powder, 2 sandy lip glass shades, and an eyeshadow times 4 palette for steamy summer nights. This box and products within are all specifically designed in turquoise packaging with a tropical chevron motif and Patrick Star signature. Yeah. So the lip glasses, they are called Fashion Punch was more of like a pale peach, and Cream Pie was 2 lip glasses with a midterm neutral pink. So let me give you a swatch of this. I'm giving you a swatch on Cream Pie, which is supposed to be more of the midterm neutral pink, which I do see it in the tube itself. So This is actually nice. And some of these, especially for like darker and deeper skin tones, you may have to adjust them with a lip pencil, or you could use these as a topper on like your lipstick or whatever you do. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're bold enough, wear it on your own, you know? And then we have Fashion Punch, which is more of a pale peach color, which looks more, it may be pale peach, but it looks more neutral to me as well too. So it is more pale. And this is the color right here. This is so pretty. So yeah, that is the PatrickStarrr 3 collection for those lip glasses. Totally amazing. Totally just fabulous. Okay, so the last collection I'm going to talk about is the Mirage Noir collection. Now, the Mirage Noir collection actually came out before the PatrickStarrr 3 collection came out, but because they were all PatrickStarrr, I decided to do them all at once. Now, the Mirage Noir lip glasses was very pretty. Soft shell is sold out. I think it's sold out in all stores and all counters. I know my counter at the one downtown in my store doesn't have it anymore. I don't think. And then I know Union Station doesn't have it either because I called there Friday to get my other 3 lip glasses, and they're no longer there. So the colors I did get was Midnight Dip, which is the mid-tone violet shimmer, which is probably my favorite one because I love purple. This is a very gorgeous color. And I feel for those, especially at nighttime when you're going out with your girlfriends or you going out with your man or your girlfriend, you know, things like that, you going out and stuff. You could use that as like, hey, let me put on more of a vampy color. Especially, that will work for definitely for those who don't want to do deeper shades yet, or you want to keep it more summery, and that would definitely work. Then I also got Strip and Dip, which looks like they say it's a pink bronze with a shimmer, but that to me it may look pink, but it looks kind of peachy towards me, or maybe it is pink and maybe my eyes is bad. I don't know. But I got Strip and Dip. And I also got Treasure Beach, which is more of a bright fuchsia color, which it is very bright. And I have it on. I have, like I said, I have the swatches on in the video at the end. These are some 5 lip glasses you definitely could look at. I'm definitely going to put it in the link bar, description bar below, so you guys can check it out as well too. I'm also going to put PatrickStarrr's 2 Me So Chic in here, just in case you guys want to look at that collection as well too. So with that being said, this has been a while since I did a makeup video with especially as I go on Big Mac hauls sometimes. But thank you guys for checking this video out. Like I said, I'm going to put the things in the link bar below as well too. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by MAC. It's not sponsored by MAC at all. Although I wish they would do help a brother out. But it is what it is. So yeah, if you guys want to shop, like I said, I'm going to put everything in the link bar below so you guys can check it out as well too. Thank you guys for looking at Books, Beauty, and Stuff. Thank you guys for just checking out my channel and being supportive. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe because you know I got a lot of things coming and a lot of good videos as well too. And also, if you want to see notifications when my videos come, you can also click on the bell beside it. That way you can know when my videos are popping up. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, and thank you guys for watching and enjoy shopping. Talk to you soon. Bye.